Everything is fine now, guys. Come on, use the chat box.
Yes, Ravi.
Good, na?
Yes.
Okay, guys. So, okay, let's run one more time. Okay, I'm running one more time in front of you people. Now run as what? Spring Boot application. Series is first page? No, false. Is last page? No, false. Next page is there? Yes, true. Previous page is also there? Yes, true. Total page, what is that? 3, right? Current page is what? 1 index, right? Page size is what? 3. We are getting our
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, we are getting.
I got it. I got it.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now find it now, guys. So next one is okay. Next level discussion in the same application only, guys. Okay, same application only. What is the next level discussion now? Okay, but here data is coming, right? No, I want what is a DEF is there, right? But this is the what is the sorted format only, right? Okay, so let's take what is that ACD from this zero index is a not sorted format, right? So come here. I want to sorted. I want this pagination in the will come in the sorted format, right? I want to see this one result in the sorted format. So what we will do now? Come here, right? Let's take zero index because in the zero index, what is that? See the data ACB. This is the not sorted format. Then we can able to see that, right? Come on. Come on, guys.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi, understood.
Okay, I
That's
want
right.
what is that? I want the result in the sorted format. So right here, page request is there, right? In the page request, what we will do now, guys? We will do here. What is that? 3 in a comma. What is that? We will use what sorted class was there, right? Sorted class dot. What is that? We will use the by, right? By method inside this one, what? Based on which come in the model class. I want based on that, what is that? Employee name. I want to sort the data, right?
EMP name.
So now come inside that, pass that one here only. Pass that one. By default, it will come what? Ascending order, right? Ascending order, right? So now let's run the application. Observe the console now, guys.
Ravi, E name or EMP name? I think.
EMP name.
Okay.
Okay, so see that A, B, C, it's coming or not in the sorted format, but in the database A, C, B data is there now, guys. Come on.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Yes, Ravi, understood.
Okay, so
Yes.
now, no, I want what is that? I want what? Descending order. This is the ascending
Descending
order.
order.
Descending order. So what we will do now, guys? Come here, right? Come here. So here, what we will do now? We will use the
Direction D.
good.
Direction by descending.
Direction.
DSC.
Oh, yes, good.
DSA.
DS. Now run the
DESC.
application. Now run the application. Okay. Hey, descending order, what data we are getting now? IHE, okay. In the descending order, what we are getting? The last record we are getting now. Why?
Yes, Ravi. By query, it is descending
Yeah.
and
Good.
page one we are
Got
getting.
it. Query is generating now, right? Query is generating,
By
but what is
name,
it?
na?
Yeah, it's generating what is that in the total table, right? From the last onward, right?
Yes,
Last
yes.
onward. Good. I got one conclusion. Okay. Previously, I don't have the knowledge. Good. No problem. Okay. We are learning something new now. So now, guys,
But
How many people?
sir, you given zero index in that only descending order not getting, sir.
Zero index.
Right answer.
Given
Right
page
question.
number
Right question.
Where?
Means page number 0, na? Ravi?
data and
Yes.
It's taking from the last onward zero index now, right?
yes,
First
but
we are
in that
executing
zero
query and
index
there we are
only
paging.
descending order.
Yeah, it
First
is
we are
executing
executing
the query and
with
after that it is
query with order
yeah,
by descending. There we are paging.
right.
Okay, so
Maybe
now guys,
method is different.
yes. Now, okay, leave it. Okay, we will check later. Okay, so now till now the things is completed, right? Clear, guys?
Yes, Ravi. Clear.
Yes, clear.
Clear, right? Okay. Page number we are given the third, right? Page
No,
size.
no. Page
Good.
number 0. Size number
Page
0.
number zero.
The
Zero
size,
page number.
Page number is
Size is
zero.
3.
only.
Page
zero
number 0,
page number
size is
and
3.
size is 3.
So first page should come now, Ravi. I mean zero
First
page.
page is descending order.
Right, correct.
This one, what we have need to do?
Yeah, you need to put 3 there.
Two there.
Yes,
get-
yes.
For
Correct.
here too.
Okay,
Yeah.
leave it. Okay, we will experiment. You people will experiment later. Okay, no problem in that. Okay, but this is the concept only, guys. Okay, concept only. So now everyone get the clear picture about pagination now.
Small doubt.
Yes.
Ravi.
Yes, ask.
Yes.
So, yeah, earlier you have given page number 0, but we have got IGH. It should come in the first page. We have to get the descending, right?
Sorry.
The first page we should get the descending, but here we are getting IGH.
1 minute, I will clarify your doubt. What is that? Okay, just tell. Yeah, tell.
Yeah, here you have given 0. In the 0 page, you have given the descending order.
Yes.
So in the 0 page, it should sort. I mean, it should give the descending order.
Clear.
But here you are getting.
But here we are
IGH.
getting the what is that? But here, yeah, that is my doubt also. I don't know. Our expectation is that in the 0 index only we are getting. We have need to get what?
Right.
Yeah, our
Ravi,
expectation.
maybe I think it will take
Ravi, maybe because of the direction. Your direction means
Yes,
direction is wrong. I think we have to use order.
last 2-3 records is that is taking the 0 descending order. That is, it's correct, sir.
How we got 7, 8, 9? That is my doubt. I mean, IHG.
Direction. 1 minute, guys. I will check it now. What is generating that record? 1 minute. Order by
Sir,
what?
take page number 3.
No need. Based on that, our expectation is what is that? This data only we have need to come because this is the index number 0. But what is that we are getting? What is that from the last onward, right? It's taking 1, 2.
Yes, Ravi,
take
that
page
is what my
number 3.
doubt is.
Yes.
Ravi, first it is executing order by query. There we are giving limit 3. So we are getting.
No, 1 minute. Something was wrong. 1
Whole
minute.
query it is
Ravi, can you
executing.
show me the query once? Can you please show me the query?
Yes, Ravi, can you please show the query once?
See this?
As we can see the where condition. Yeah, employee.
Order by
After that,
EMP,
order by
descending order
and
limited.
after yeah.
Order by.
So first it is applying the order by descending. After that, it's just putting the limits.
Yeah, it is
Yes.
applying order by
Yeah.
first. Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
order by first.
Yes, sir.
So the result could be that it's
It's became what is that in the table last one? Okay, this is the not, but this is the wrong. Something wrong is there now. Okay, no problem. We will check later,
You
guys.
take
Okay.
page number 3, sir. Once to try. Page number 3.
Why we will use the page number 3? Page number 3 will become, then it will become from the last onward. It will become this one, right? So then we can get it the result. Then okay, no problem. Let's use it. Okay, so here what is that? 3 you want, right?
2.
2, sir. Sorry. 0, 1, 2. Actually, not 3.
Okay. it's taking descending order in the total table, right? But I thought that only those record we need, right? But it's selecting total record. Okay, no problem. This one we will get the. I will experiment on that only, right? I will experiment on that.
Ravi, one small doubt. Does it is supporting any filtering type?
Filtering type, next level discussion. We will discuss it. It will support.
Okay.
Those things is there.
Thank
Next level. Our next level discussion, that one only.
Okay.
Okay. So 2, 3, 1. Okay. 2, 3, 1. It's coming now. Okay. CBA. Okay. So it's taking a total table, guys. Okay. Total table, but what in the indexing it's representing now. We have need to write like this. Okay. So now, guys, you people get the clear picture about what pagination?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Ravi.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi, clear.
Clear.
Understand.
Yeah.
Clear, right?
Yeah, got it.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yes, clear. Everything.
So shall we move on the next level discussion?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sure.
Proceed,
Please go
Ravi.
ahead.
Sure, sure. No issue.
Yes, sure.
Huh?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi, please go
Yes,
ahead.
sir.
What about
Continue.
Please
others?
go ahead.
Give everyone response, man.
Continue, Ravi, continue.
Another concept, Ravi.
Sorry.
Another concept.
Another concept, collection based. It will take 2 hours time. 10.
Yeah,
Next
we are
week.
ready. We are ready, Ravi. We are ready.
Yes,
Yeah,
Ravi,
Ravi.
enjoying the
Ravi, no
Next
issue.
Sunday
week.
only.
We are
Next
ready. We are
class.
ready.
Ravi.
Next week.
Ravi,
Yes.
you
We
to
need
take
to
rest.
practice, right? All these things.
Ravi, you don't need to practice. He knows already everything.
It's enough,
No.
Ravi, to rest.
Yes, yes.
We
No need. No
not
need.
Ravi. We need.